My trip is going to end soon. It's morning. क्या है अभी? 11:45. I have to go for breakfast. As I said, I'm skipping breakfast. So basically, I'm going for lunch now. I have a flight around 6 p.m. to Hanoi from Da Nang, and then I have to stay in Hanoi and check out in the morning, go to the airport, and fly to India. All that fun will be gone. I'll be back on my laptop, work and stuff. I had lunch that time. Luckily, somehow, I don't know how, but in a hotel I got rice and chicken curry. It was manageable. I was able to eat fine. Now I'm heading to the airport because I've checked out, right? Checkout was at 12 p.m. So I have nothing to do. So now it's 2 p.m. So I was just sitting for 2 hours in the hostel reception area. So now I'm going to the airport. I have to sit there 3 hours because I have nowhere to go. And then we go to Hanoi. Oh, we are about to departure from the flight to Hanoi, and I got this seat. It takes like 1.5 hours to reach Hanoi, and then I have to go straight to my room because I don't have any other plans. 18th March, 7 p.m. to 8:15 p.m. flight from Da Nang to Hanoi. I can never forget this flight because this whole 1 hour 15 minutes I haven't slept, and lots of thoughts has been running in my mind. It's not particularly about this trip, but in general about life, career and everything else. And somehow I'm not able to get out that thoughts from my mind, and I cannot forget this flight specifically because the thoughts are very important for me in my personal life, where I am right now, what I have to do. Everything just kept on coming the whole flight. Like I couldn't sleep, and I tried my best to not think about it, but I think I'll take some action on that. I have to figure it out, some things. I have to sort out some things. Now I'm heading to my stay. I think it'll take like 45 minutes to 1 hour. After checking in, I'll have dinner and go back to my room, do nothing, charge my phone and stuff. Tomorrow morning I have to go to airport. I have to be like 3 hours before my flight starts because apparently international flights, the immigration process, like it's very long here in Hanoi. So I have to wake up early. I have to sleep early because I need sleep. And basically my trip is over. As like there's no much, nothing. I'm not exploring anything anymore. I've like explored enough in 9 days. Like tomorrow will be my 9th day, so basically in 8 days of exploring, it's enough. Some of the places like Phu Quoc, Sapa, I've not done it. Ho Chi Minh, but next time if I come here, I will particularly plan for those. Tomorrow's vlog, I think maybe I'll just combine it with this one because you'll just see me flying back to India, right? So yeah. Okay, I'm having dinner. I chose Indian restaurant again because I want this very badly. It's been so difficult eating Vietnam food, so this is needed. And last day, right? So thank God. Okay, one more time I'll show you the Hanoi streets at night because tomorrow morning we are going back to India. So here is the view. To be honest, I will miss this because firstly the places I've been to too good, the people very polite. This is the hostel I've in. So this is my room, which activates with this card. So if I do this, it opens. Yeah. There's also a locker. It's an official bye to Hanoi. pack my bag, luggage. Now we check out and go back to India. One thing I'll suggest for all the solo travelers or even normal traveling, carry one sling bag like this, which will have all your essentials. Because I'm a solo traveler, right? So there's no one to take care of my belongings. So I always used to keep every other important thing in this. Like I used to keep Xerox copies of passport, visa, and everything. Xerox, power bank, charger, wallet, and money I used to like distribute. For example, if I have like 1,000 rupees in here, I used to keep 500 to 1,000 rupees in my luggage, which is locked inside a locker. So in case if I lose this, I have a backup. That's why the only time I used to carry passport is when I didn't have a locker in my room and the luggage was just open, or I had to keep the luggage in reception area before check-in and I had to go somewhere. That's the time I used to carry the real passport in here. So this is really helpful, be it solo traveler or generally. And I have noticed everyone carries this here. I mean generally. So that's the one thing you have to keep note of and try solo traveling. It is the best. Not a single day I've been bored. That again depends on you. If you are a person who is scared of being alone, then you might get bored, but it is needed, right? You have to try and explore this side of you where that vulnerabilities come out. So I never had a problem of being alone by myself. So I am very comfortable either alone or group. Like I'm easily adaptable in these things. So for me it was not such a boring day, but it could be. I'm not saying it won't. Definitely there is a possibility that at least out of 9 days you could be bored in like 2 days now. That is so possible. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't stop from exploring like solo trip, because this is incredible. So much things to learn. So many things I've known of myself from this trip. So many things I have realized from this trip. So if I want to do solo trip again, I won't hesitate again. I can do any number of solo trips. That one trip is enough for you to unlock that thing inside of you कि हाँ यार मैं कर सकता हूँ. So do try it. Go with friends also, but try at least not, if not international, go domestic solo traveling. Something will be different. Okay, the immigration process is done. The whole process from getting the boarding pass till reaching the boarding gate took like 50 minutes. As people said, it is right. I reached 3 hours before and still it took 50 minutes, which is not like so much because there is a big process, right? So, but it's better you go early, especially in Vietnam. The immigration process actually takes a bit longer than India. But yeah, it was very smooth. There was nothing, no hassle. It was just smooth. Now I have like 2 more hours to rest. So I'm thinking I'll take some chips or juice or something because I am very hungry. Officially signing off from Vietnam. Okay, we are in the Bangalore airport. Reached at 12:20 a.m. and that's an official wrap for this trip. It was so fun, but I'll see you again soon.